Hi my friends. I am Evinda Shavinda. Today I teach you how to make your computer folders open in Singleclick, to remove double-click option. Firstly, open the control panel and click on Appearance and Personalization. Click on Specify Single or Double Click to open. Finally, select Singleclick to open an item on General section and click Apply as I do.
Thanks you for watching my video. If you satisfied on my video, like this video and subscribe me. But if is not, email me my mistakes. I warmly invite you to register to www.crystal.epizzy.com/OSSN, new and best social network made by me.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here.